Welcome to our last day of Disney. Our last attempt to see all the activities. Here comes Cruella de Vil looking so mischievous.
Hello, Snow White. Please sign my autograph book.
Here's the rest of the Disney crew. If you plan to watch the parade, position yourself here, right at the front entrance, by the train station. You're higher than the rest of the crowd. It's a better view. Go find a bench to sit on. There's Moana. Look, it's Maui.
You look like it.
Do you remember this movie? The parade is so well organized. Very impressive. We need to get back here to the Looney Tunes. It feels like you're in a different world. It's so beautiful. This is one of the kids' favorite rides, the Runaway Railway. There's a playground for children to play to. Check out inside this hut. Very fancy. Shaloni found Donald Duck and followed him everywhere. Oh, she loves him. More photos with the Disney characters. Take as many as you can. Don't forget your autograph book. Ariel was so pretty. This is inside the Runaway Railway. Kids couldn't get enough of the Star Wars. We had to go back.
Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipment.
Then back to the princesses. You gotta position yourself early enough for the fireworks. It can get pretty squishy. And lots of trees covering the castle view. Enjoy the fireworks!
Haven't you ever had a dream? Something you wanted so bad you'd do anything?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.